If she's having some neck pain and she's having numbness and tingling in her arm, then I would begin to ask, where is your numbness and tingling? What fingers is it going to? Is it all the way down your arm? If the numbness and tingling is simply in the hand and it's in these three fingers are commonly carpal tunnel syndrome. But if the numbness and tingling is all the way down the arm and covering the whole hand, then I'm going to head up toward the neck and try to figure out if it's coming out of the neck.